Friends, welcome to my workplace at Ranaghat, West Bengal, India. In this video, we will see Phaco-aspiration. Phaco-aspiration means when the lens matter can be aspirated without use of ultrasonic energy. This is a posterior subcapsular cataract. The nucleus is not yet formed. The whole lens is a lump of cortex, and we can just aspirate the lens matter. The pupil is dilated, phenocane applied, a little bit of adrenaline, and now the pupil dilates nicely. Viscoelastic substance is used to fill up the anterior chamber. Nice dilatation of the pupil. The microscope is OMS 800 of Topcon. A side port is made, and now capsulorhexis. Capsulorhexis is being done with this instrument. This is a Oertli forceps. In such cases, we have to maintain a moderate speed to do the rhexis, and sometimes we have to use small jerky pulls to keep the track of the capsular tags movement. Hydrodissection is done. Hydrodelineation I don't want to do. I want to remove the whole lump at on-go. Prechopper has no role in such cases. You just have to use high vacuum and aspirate the lens matter. I am using 500 vacuum and 50 flow rate. Just mobilize the whole mass and aspirate. Little bit of ultrasonic energy, about 10% ultrasonic energy, can be used for faster aspiration. Now I remove the cortex by the handpiece itself. Beginners should not try this. If you have some experience in this and you have done it a lot of times, then you can try. So cortical aspiration is complete by the handpiece itself, and now the antechamber is filled up and the capsular bag is also filled up with viscoelastic substance. And here goes a Rayner hydrophobic intraocular lens. Rayner is the first company that made intraocular lens in 1949. Dr. Harold Ridley designed the lens, and on 29 November 1949 the first intraocular lens was implanted. And the same company is still there. This is heartwarming to know that the same company, Rayner, has evolved over time, has brought beautiful lenses, and still the company is a leading company in the IOL industry. This is aspiration of viscoelastic substance. We must aspirate viscoelastic substance from behind the lens. Then we can have a very clean postoperative period. No rise of intraocular pressure. Patient becomes very comfortable. And now this is a bit of moxifloxacin. The side port is closed by corneal stromal hydration. The main wound doesn't require any hydration. And this is how I form the anterior chamber. The Simcoe is placed at the tunnel, and you have to check the pressure. Few drops of moxie is applied and the case is concluded. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope this video will help you in developing your surgical skills. So in such soft cataracts, very soft cataracts, where the nucleus has not yet formed, we can just remove the whole lens matter by aspiration. We can call it phaco aspiration.